This guide provides clear instructions for locating transactions using a specialized monitoring feature. On the dashboard of your Nayax Core Management Suite, click on the Reports tab. Click on Online Reports, and then click Dynamic Transactions Monitor tab from the submenu. Type in your operator name or sub-actor and any other fields to obtain the desired reports, then press View Report button as highlighted in red on the visual. Pro tip: choose the relevant time interval. The default for this report is Transactions Done Today. Choose a different time interval from this drop-down menu. As highlighted in red on the visual, the screen will display all the transactions. Hover over or click Open the colored icon to view the full color legend and better understand the dynamic transaction report. Click on the Export button to export the data into a PDF or Excel format for easy sharing and review. We hope this guide was able to walk you through the process. We ask you to please help us help you by leaving feedback. Thanks for watching.